I'd like to introduce a new Start Fresh system. This Start Fresh system is for 2014 through 2019 Ranger 900s, be it XP or not, Crew or not. We do not include 13. We know that's first year. Primary probably work, no problem. Secondary is different. We do not offer a secondary for it, nor would we offer a complete primary for the 13 because it's just different. So sorry 13 guys, we have other options for that, deer clutches, etc. So 14 through 19, Start Fresh. What do you get? You get a Hunterworks USA made primary clutch. We got videos explaining what our Gen 3 Hunterworks primary 900 clutch is. It will be stock. What is stock? We have weights made. We do not use Polaris weights. These are machine weights with a better bushing, and then a primary spring that's equal to stock. So it will function as stock. It will only have a two-way bearing. We do not do EBS, full-on engine braking. So your Start Fresh will include that, and it will include an updated, we call it updated because most Ranger 900s that do not have engine braking from the factory have what we've been calling a POS, secondary clutch that fails a lot, but we offer the EBS style. People call it Team Tide, etc. This is actually off my Razor, but it looks the same. So it will have removable helix spring, and it will come complete. It will have our Hunterworks heavy duty rollers in it. It will be ready to go. This Start Fresh for the Ranger is a plug and play. The belt, you can actually use any belt you want that was ever designed for a Ranger 900. The good news is, and I think this is actually a turbo belt, but nonetheless, you can use a Hunterworks standard belt, which is on a Razor XP 1000. It is a thicker belt. You haven't been able to use it on a POS secondary because of low speed noise. You don't get noise with this, and that thicker belt provides additional grip with the stock clutching. It is just really nice. I've been running it on my own 900 Ranger Crew 16 model for several months, and I absolutely love it. It's smooth, it's great. I don't have a problem with missing engine braking because the secondary clutch provides it down to roughly 3 to 5 miles an hour. Now, we only offer it in stock form. Why? We have videos on this. We do not believe in clutch kits for Rangers. I would say for almost no reason. Why is that? Because we believe a Ranger should be used as a Ranger. Work, slower riding, this, that, and the other. So if you were to be the guy that, for some crazy reason, bought a Ranger, bigger tires, and likes to rip it around, this may not be for you, but the good news is you can still get the clutches and go to whomever you want to get a clutch kit for. All they have to know is you have a Team Tide secondary clutch when you talk to them. But we don't believe in it, and so our Start Fresh is quote unquote stock, and we say that because we're not always buying just Polaris parts. We have a helix made. We don't buy them from Polaris. We do use the exact same spring Polaris uses. We just don't buy it from Polaris. But it is all equal to, performance-wise, to stock, but better quality all the way around. So check them out on the website. We'll have a link below. Got any questions about it? Todd@hunterworks.com. Thanks.